Introducing the buyer-click system, a revolutionary tool designed for businesses looking to maximize their online sales potential. This innovative system streamlines the buying process, providing an intuitive interface that enhances user experience. With powerful analytics, you'll gain insights into customer behavior, helping you make informed decisions to boost conversions. The buyer-click system is equipped with customizable features, allowing you to tailor the platform to fit your unique business needs. Say goodbye to abandoned carts and hello to seamless transactions, as our system is designed to make purchases quick and hassle-free. Not only does it support multiple payment options, but it also integrates effortlessly with your existing CRM systems. By implementing the buyer-click system, you'll experience increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to higher revenue. Take your business to the next level and watch your sales soar with this game-changing solution.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you then.